Hey everyone, this is Mike from Cali Raised LED. Today I'm going to show you how to install our 4th generation front bed Molle panels. In this kit, you're going to receive 2 Molle panels, 4 3/8 screws, 3 1/4-inch screws, 4 T-nuts, 3 1/4-inch nuts, 6 1/4-inch washers, and 4 3/8 washers. The tools that you're going to need is going to be an 11mm wrench, a 5.5mm Allen head, a 5/32 Allen head, and a T55 Torx. Let's go ahead and get started. All right, so the first step is going to be joining these 2 panels together. So it's easiest if you're working on a table or something. You can kind of hang off that foot there off the edge. And there's 2 flanges on the side, as you can see. So we're just going to be putting those together. This is where you're going to use your 1/4-inch screws. Going to go ahead and get one through. Slide that one over. Put a washer on the other side, and then your nut. All right, so first thing before we bring the panels into the truck is we need to remove the first 2 bed bolts here. Second thing is we're gonna slide our T-nuts into place in the rail. Then we're gonna bring the panels in and get it all bolted up. All right. All right, that completes the installation for the 4th generation Tacoma front bed Molle panels. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and please visit www.caliraisedled.com and order yours today.